Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Let's see how you're doing, Leo, how your person is doing and what action we can expect in this connection. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Ooh, okay. So newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards, okay? One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, I will be calling this side person A and this side person B. If this is your story, Leo, you will know which side you resonate best with, right? So here we go for person A action and person B action. Bottom of my deck, oh, Queen of Wands. So somebody sees that person as dynamic, exciting, beautiful, sexy, hot and taking care of themselves. Okay. So from what I'm seeing of the cards, my first look, Leo, there is somebody here who wants to have a brand new, stable beginning, which will not just be one pentacle, but move right to the 10 of pentacles. Like straight, I want this and I want it forever. They want marriage, they want commitment. They are seeing the potential, I think, in this Queen of Wands to maybe go the long haul now. But there's always a but, isn't there? The other person, they, I think, have been feeling a bit abandoned till now, or they are thinking of leaving person A behind. They feel person A was only bringing too much drama into their life, was very inconsistent, was never doing the right thing. And yes, I think person B is the one who could be leaving person A behind to say, I'm not interested. Polar opposite cards here, Leo. One person is absolutely sure, the other person thinks not highly at all of that person. So what I'm going to do, Leo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll do the rest of the cards. So let's start with this one. Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Leo and their person spirit. Oh, too many, but I'll take them since they flipped out. And Leo, if you're looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person spirit. One more. Okay. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I did not expect you to enter my life when you did. I wasn't ready. So I think this could be person A now, because now they are ready for this brand new beginning. And their excuse maybe for their bad behavior in the past is, well, I wasn't ready, but I'm ready now. Are you sorry for hurting me? Could be person B saying that. I'm not sure if you love me for me or who you think I am. It's sometimes hard to keep faith when you're taking so long to commit. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. I wasn't ready for our connection. Second time, same message. Somebody wasn't ready when the maybe the offer was there on the table, but now they are. Sometimes because I know that we'll be together, I take you for granted. So maybe one person wasn't ready and they thought they could take all the time in the world and later, we'll get together when the time is right. But I think by that time, somebody else has changed their mind. So let's start your reading, Leo. Excuse me. Let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my throat is blocking ever since I started your reading, Leo. So maybe you guys are not either in communication, or there's been a difficulty in telling that your person, or vice versa, about how you truly felt or feel. And that's the reason I think person B has kind of lost hope in this connection. So let's see. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo, please. Retreat. Yes. Maybe person A is now ready to go on this retreat with person B, but I feel person B, for them, retreat is they've taken a step back. They've taken a step back to say, I'm not interested. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Leo. Then we'll move on to person B, okay? So person A, why do you feel this way? Ace of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles. Why are you feeling this way? They don't want this chapter to shut down. They want another go around. They know they've messed up a beautiful connection. They know some bad memories have been created in this connection, Leo, but they don't want this chapter to end. They want to try one more time. Maybe this time, things can work out. Ace of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. This is how badly person A wants to offer this now. Now somebody seems to be very, very ready. After they bungled something up. Some bad memories have already been created now. So 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles, Leo, for person A. Yes, they never offered. They never offered what was expected of them in the past. But now, this person is kind of coming out of anything toxic in their life, or even if they had a fear, or they weren't ready, or whatever was negative, what was stopping them from offering this Four of Wands. Now they want to have an equal partnership, they want equal give and take, they want reciprocity, and they want to offer something which will be solid for the future. So what happened, person A, in the recent past that, suddenly now you're feeling this way? The Lovers. How is the Lovers here, Spirit? And what happened? Okay. I think person A always knew that person B was probably their wish fulfillment or something like that, but they didn't make a choice. Maybe they were scared of heartbreak, or they could have said something or done something. Basically, I think person A created this tower to fall between the two of you, and they didn't offer or accept this brand new beginning. I think since then, this person has been now wishing and praying to be given a second chance, maybe, because they feel they've lost it, or they are now judged by person B. Whatever said and done, whatever happened here, Leo, person A has a lot of guilt, lot of regret, lot of sorrow for the way things went down. So 5 of Cups, Spirit, what happened? One more. What happened? They know they need to apologize. They know they need to apologize for something, feeling very disappointed that why didn't I invest when the time was right? They didn't invest. Maybe they took too long to decide. Maybe they didn't feel good enough at that point. Now they are very embarrassed, very ashamed of maybe their own actions, of maybe the way they came across or way they behaved. But they do want to come and apologize and now portray themselves as somebody who's going to do the right thing, who will be that emperor, who will take control, who will offer something stable. They do want to now come in, but in the past I think they didn't, and they have a lot of regret for that. They are very disappointed, I think, with their own behavior. Maybe they came across very passionate and sexual, but didn't invest in the relationship as such. So person A, how do you feel about the connection now? The Magician and the 3 of Cups. Well, they seem to be manifesting a reunion. Magician, Magician. Well, they recognize that maybe in the past they were coming forward as a magician in reverse. Maybe they were not being able to manifest what they wanted, or maybe they were just being a trickster and created some kind of imbalance in this connection. And because they didn't work on this connection in a solid way, they didn't put in the effort and the work that was required, everything came to a halt. They lost their chance for a 10 of cups. Now they're wondering if I can manifest a reunion. I don't think they're saying anything, but behind the scenes, I think this person is dreaming of a 3 of cups, a celebration, a reunion after stagnancy. 3 of cups, Spirit. How does person A now feel about the connection? They are recognizing that whatever they did was wrong. They recognize that whatever they did was wrong, that there was no justice in the way they behaved. Maybe, yes, they're recognizing that they were probably very selfish, very self-centered, or at least that's the way they came about, and they don't know how to communicate about this either. I think they're quietly manifesting a reunion, especially because now there's silence between the two of you. It's a soulmate connection gone wrong. There is some blockages, stoppages into that now, but the heart of hearts are dreaming, manifesting. If I can only get one more chance, I would offer everything now. So what action they will take in the 3D, in the physical world, I will open later. Leo, let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here first. So person B, why do you have the 5 of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands energy? 5 of Pentacles. Person B says that yes, they didn't offer me anything. What are you talking about, the 10 of Pentacles, that they want to offer me this now? They never put in the work in the past. They didn't even put in one pentacle, and they always left me feeling on the outside. They never offered me anything, no help, no support, always making me feel like I was not good enough, or I just felt abandoned. This person B feels that person was very immature, just coming in and out and behaving in a very rash manner, breaking promises and creating conflict and not being stable or forthright or clear ever. So person B says, I've seen through all their agenda now. I now don't have the highest opinion of them. Knight of Swords in reverse and the Knight of Wands in reverse, and Leo, the King of Cups in reverse. Now all 3 knights in reverse really means that somebody really doesn't feel that their person is mature or has anything solid to offer. They feel I already know the truth now about person A, and I don't want to go back into feeling that way. So what happened, person B, in the recent past that you're feeling this way about person A? Knight of Cups in reverse. Person B feels that they were just a flirt. They were just a flirt. They came in with empty promises. They brought no strength to the relationship at all, and I was forced to make a decision. Yes, they feel as much as they saw something stable and long term in this connection, they felt that person was very ungrounded. They were only, basically, King of Pentacles upright is a very practical and a very loving. This is the husband or the long term partner material king, right? This is a person who takes charge, who takes control. But person B is seeing them as the King of Pentacles in reverse now. More interested in their work, in their money, in their brands, in their cars, in their houses. So I think person B could have made a decision against this person. So how do you feel about this connection now, person B? The Hanged Man. Person B feels they have spent enough time by themselves to recognize the fact that they don't need to be stuck around waiting for somebody who never made them feel good. I don't want to be in this place where I'm always waiting, feeling regret and feeling uncomfortable or feeling bad. I'm getting myself out of this situation because you know what? I tried it and I felt there was no victory to be had here. Yes, person B is the person I think could be this Queen of Wands, who's our overall energy, who is deciding to get out of this mental stuckness. They felt I was the only one in this connection, overthinking, waiting, regretting, feeling, what happened, what did I do wrong, what did I do, why is my person, always flitting in and out of my life. So I think person B has now dropped all these swords. They feel this rose-colored glasses that they were wearing about this flirt are off. Six of Wands in reverse. Six of Wands in reverse. Yes, I don't think they have a very high opinion at all of person A now. Knight of Wands in reverse again with the King of Swords in reverse. Very cold, unloving, harsh energy, very not consistent, playboyish, right? So person B, I'm sorry person A, person B doesn't have the best regard, I would say, or opinion of person A right now. I think person A knows that as well because they are understanding exactly what they've done, and that's why they're quietly manifesting some kind of maybe a chance meeting where they can have a reunion and then offer this Ace of Pentacles, which will then lead to this Ten of Pentacles. So let's see what actions you guys will take in the 3D world now. I'm going to take a different deck for this one, Leo. And of course, this is my time to remind you to please hit that like button because that really helps the videos to circulate, Leo. That'll be a big favor to me. Thank you. And newbies, if you are going to subscribe, which I hope you do, please don't forget to press the notification bells because they remind you, YouTube will remind you when the next videos will be posted. Thank you. So person A, what action will you take? Wheel of Fortune. Why is that an action, person A? Are you waiting on divine timing? One more. And one more. Two of Wands. Okay. They do want this partnership now. They want this equal give and take. But I think they are quite stressed out. They're very overwhelmed with the fact that maybe in the past they never made a decision, they waited too long. So I think person A seems to be waiting for their luck to change or things to change or maybe have a chance encounter or just biding their time. Somebody is just waiting for something to happen, maybe divine intervention, because they're recognizing that to do it on my own is like too burdening now after the way maybe I've behaved in the past. But heart of hearts, person A is now ready. If person B so wants it, person A is now ready. They want everything correct now. So person B, are you going to take any action towards person A or otherwise? Six of Swords. Well, that's normally a card of leaving all conflict behind and moving on to a calmer, happier, peaceful place. Now let's see whether it's only for them or is it going to be, ending a conflict with person A and moving together. So what is this for you, person B? Six of Swords, why is that an action? Why is that an action from person B's end? I had a peeper. One second, let me pull that out. Knight of Wands again. Seven of Cups, one more. And the Five of Cups in reverse. I think person B is probably checking out new options. They want to get out of this lack feeling. This was their first card, right? Five of Pentacles, and now we have the Five of Cups in reverse. We had that as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Five of Cups in reverse, second time round. So they don't want to be stuck in the past. They feel I tried it, It's tried, tested, gone wrong. I don't want to wait around for that anymore. This person was only creating too much drama for me. This was too much of inconsistency for me. And yes, person B, who's I think now glowing, looking really good, could be attracting in a lot of attention, maybe having other options. They don't want to be burdened with a connection which has already gone wrong. Maybe it was too burdening or too hard. Person B seems to be now in their power, in control, dropping past baggage, seeing their new options, and ready now to move towards something else. So that's all I have for you, at least for this time. Maybe by next time, if person A can get out of their head and send that message, right, there could be a chance. Otherwise, person B, I think, is checking out their other options. All right, so that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.